Hi, welcome to today's video. Glad to have you along. Today I'm going to be showing you step by step how to play I'm a Believer by the Monkees, also featured in the classic animated movie Shrek. You really won't want to miss this, so go grab your guitar and meet me back here in 3, 2, 1. Right, so step 1 is to get the rhythm in place, and the strumming pattern for this song is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. So it'll be down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Notice how my arm is straight. I'm not moving my wrist so much. It's straight from my elbow, straight line through to the hand. So we're going like a windscreen wiper kind of stuff. You can see straight hand, straight arm. We're going down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So with that in place, which gives the song its upbeat groove, we're now ready for step number 2. And step number 2 is to introduce the chords we need for the verses, and they are G major, D major, and C major. If you aren't familiar with those chords, I've actually made a video showing you how to play the major chords, which you may want to check out. I'll put the link in the description below. But for now, this is G. Hold that up to the camera for you. There's G. And then there's D, D major. Hold that up to the camera. There we go. And then there's C, C major. There we go, nice and close up to the camera for you. You may want to pause and just copy what I'm doing there. Right now, for each of these chords in the verse, we will strum down, down, up, down, up, which will give us the equivalent of a 4-beat bar. So try this out. So we've got G, so we've got down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, and then back to G, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, then again, down, down, up, down, up, in the G, down to the D, down, down, up, down, up, then back to the G for 2 lots, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Then we change to the C, down, down, up, down, up, then to G, down, down, up, down, up, back to C, down, down, up, down, up, G, C, then back to G, then to D, down, down, up, down, down. That's where it finishes. So it goes down, down, up, down, down. So let's go through that whole section again. So we've got G, D, G, 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 D, G, G, C, G, C, G, C, G, D. So with the D, you got down, down, up, down, up, and then you finish with a down and stop, because that leads us into the chorus. So let's do that, the whole of the verse, with the correct tempo. So here we go. So G, D, G, 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 D, G, G, C, G, C, G, C, G, D, and stop. Right, now we're going to move on to part 3, step 3, which is the chorus. Now, the chorus introduces a slightly different strumming pattern of down, down, up for each of its fast changes between G and C. It begins right away at the beginning of the chorus from the word face and stops at the I'm in love part on the word love. So it should look and sound like this. So we're going to go between the G and the C, down, down, up for each chord. So we got so it's that sort of thing. So between G, so down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. So really slowly then. So down, down, up, and then we change. Down, down, up, and then we change. Back to G, then we change. Then we change back to G. So to break it down, it's G to C 8 times before a single downstroke on a G, but we'll get to that. So it's 8 times of G to C. So G, C, G, C, G, C, G, C, G, C, G, C, and then a downstroke on G. G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, D. I'll do that again. So you've got the G to C part. But when it stops with I'm in love, it goes G, so down on G for the I'm in love. And then C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, D. Then we got that very famous riff, which I'll show you in the next part. So let's just go through the chords again, just quickly, before we get onto the riff. So we got G, C, G, C, G, C, down on the G, then C to, so down on the G, then C, G, F, D, and then. So we do that through one more time, and then I'll show you how to play the riff. So we've got G, G, C, 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 G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, D. Then obviously after the riff we'll go back to the verse again, but let's do the riff for you now. Here we go. So this is how to play the cool riff you've enjoyed in that song so many times. If you've reached this point of the video, if you could like and subscribe for me, that would be great. But now for the riff, here we go. What we're going to do is I want you to hold down with your first finger strings 4 and 5 on the 3rd fret like this. I'll show you up to the camera. So 4 and 5 on the 3rd fret with the first finger. Now, while holding those 2 strings, down pick the 5th string. Right, so down pick the 5th string. Yeah, so holding them strings, down pick the 5th string, and then hammer on to the 5th fret, 5th string with your 3rd finger. So we've got it. So we're picking the 5th string, and we're going to hammer on between the 3rd and the 5th fret on the 5th string. So up close. Get a better angle for you. There we go. So we're plucking the 5th string, and then what we're going to do, we're going to pick the 4th string, the D string, straight after that little 3 to 5. So we're going to go. So with that tempo, with that rhythm. So it does that twice, and then for the third time it does it quicker. So we've got. Do that again for you. So we've got. Yeah, see? So 2 at the normal pace, and then the third one quicker. So we've got. Do that one more. Well, I'll do it a couple more times for you actually. Yeah, I'm gonna go again for you. Here we go. It's worth pointing out that what I'm doing here, I'm down picking on the 5th string and up picking on the 4th string. So together that will be. So of course faster would be. And that's all there is to it. So there we have it. I'm a believer. How did you do? I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. And also, if you could like and subscribe, that would be absolutely wonderful. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.